Holy shit, dude.
Oh, we got this. Keep her in 4 high and keep your speed momentum up.
On this episode of Driving with Stu, we're tackling a new trail, braving the unpredictable weather, building shelter, cooking over the fire, and conquering the snowy ridges. We're pushing the limits of what it means to adventure.
Hey Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 880. Roads? Well, we don't need roads.
Just got off the main road here and dropping a little bit of PSI in the tires, get them nice and soft for the logging road and the rest of the trail. I think it's actually mostly logging roads. Anyways, we'll find some obstacles to hit. Let's roll. Let's have some fun.
Oh man, if we could make it up onto that mountainside, I mean, that would be pretty sick actually.
We got snow straight ahead.
Yeah, we're approaching 560 meters above sea level, so this makes sense.
Slow it down a bit. This might be hard shit. Yeah.
Here we go, boys. Shelf roads and snow. Two not so great elements.
Keep pushing, you got this. Put her into off-road flops or high sand mode, get that extra wheel spin and RPM.
It's getting slippery up here. Luckily we have a ledge on this side to catch us from sliding off into complete oblivion.
I'm out of this loft here, we'll see.
Level out a little bit, but the only thing we do is scout it on foot for see if there's another spot. But one of the things about 4x4ing is knowing when to turn around and not risk your unit.
Yeah. But guys, I think we're gonna call it. It gets a lot steeper as we go up, and with the snow, it's just too unpredictable. We don't want to slide off the side of the mountain. We're gonna head down and see if we can find a different trail to explore. That's a little bit lower. Not ideal, but it is what it is.
Snow flying past your window. Holy fuck.
This off-road plus is actually super fun.
You're sending like just rooster tails of snow left, right, and center. It's awesome. We gotta be careful here because we stop now. We might be kind of stuck. He's plowing.
We're defeated. We got 2 feet of snow and it just gets steeper, more off camber as we go, and we don't want to wind up down here. We got to back it up, try again, find another trail. That's the way it goes. That's wheeling. That's you gotta find an alternative. They say nothing in life is free, but hitting like and subscribe actually is. And it's the best deal you'll get today.
You wouldn't happen to have a shovel in there, Stu, would you?
Yeah, toe strap.
I got a strap, bud.
Keep going. Keep her going, keep her going a little more. Right there, huh?
Doesn't really go anywhere, but we could just set up here. Maybe find
Set up somewhere close to a tree line for some
shelter. Yeah. Yeah.
Is that rosemary? Oh, that's fucking good.
A little bit of rosemary, garlic, onion, salt, pepper.
This is like the quintessential boys being boys. Built a shelter, a fire. We're cooking steak and veggies out in the mountainside in the pouring rain. So we're responsible. Put out our fires. Even though we're in the middle of a downpour, you still put out your fires. Oh yeah, dirt on top.
That was a good day. It was fun. It was nice to kind of get on some trails we didn't really plan to get on.
We didn't really have a set plan, but it was fun either way. You know, you just explore the trails, find new obstacles to get over. At the end of the day there, stopping, having something to eat, making a shelter. It's just fun skills to practice.
But we're cold, we're wet, and we're going to go home and dry out and get ready for the next adventure. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure you subscribe, give the video a like if you made it this far, and we'll see you on the next one.